Have you ever had overripe plantains and you were thinking what to do with them, or you were trying to throw them out? I'm going to stop you right there. Welcome to my Blooming TV. Today in Bloom's Kitchen, I'm going to be showing you how you can make snacks out of your overripe plantains. A friend of mine inspired this recipe. She has told me to give it a try, and I have played around with it a little bit, so this is my take on it. Today we are going to be making a spicy plantain balls. Yes, this is a wow small chops. And if you haven't liked, subscribed, or shared any of my videos, I encourage you to. And please, at the end of this video, if you like it, do not forget to give me a big thumbs up.
Alright. Okay.
So for our spicy plantain balls, I'm going to be using 2 large overripe plantains, 2.5 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of canola oil, 1/2 teaspoon each of cinnamon powder and ginger powder. This is optional, you don't have to add that. And I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. And I'm going to be using 1 cup of water. And for the plantains, I'm going to be using my food processor with the dough attachment to puree my plantain. I want them to be of a smooth consistency, and then we'll continue from there. So we're going to start first by mixing the dry ingredients together, and then blend the plantain in the food processor, and then we'll add the wet ingredients there.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand, together we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what to say. No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place. If we can just find a way, then we can live a better day. Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all, let's build a dream. Just admit that you're just afraid. Let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place if we can just find the.
We are all done. Our spicy plantain balls are ready. As you can see, they look fabulous. If you want it more on a sweet or savory side, feel free to add maybe 1 or 2 tablespoons of sugar. but I didn't add any sugar. I'm just going to go with the sweetness of the plantain. And then as you can see, inside is really looking all yummy and delicious. And you can have it with any sauce of your choice, and you can have it with peanuts or any other condiments on the side. Until next time, when I bring you another fun and exciting recipe on my Blooming TV, please do not forget to give me that big thumbs up. Enjoy this video, share with your friends on your platforms on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and then make your own plantain balls and show me your pictures. Have a blessed and wonderful day. Ciao.